gallant shanty boys, and listen while I sing. We've worked 6 months in cruel frost, but soon we'll take a flee. The ice is black and rotten, and the rollways are piled high. So boost upon your PV sticks while I do tell you why. For it's break the rollways out, my boys, and let the big sticks fly. And file your caulks and grease your boots and start up on the drive. 100 miles of water is the nearest way to town. So tie into the tail of her and keep her hustling down. There's some poor lads will never lift a PV hook again, nor hear the trees crack with the frost, nor feel a warm spring rain. 'Twas falling timber, rolling logs that handed them their time. It was their lot to get it sown. Next time it may be mine. Now break the rollways out, my lads, and let the big sticks slide. For each man killed within the woods, there's 10 drowned on the drive. It's every lad in heaven he would swap his golden crown. To burn the log beneath him as he drives the river down. To burn the log beneath him as he drives the river down.